Hey, my name's Jeremy, a full-time brand designer and content creator. And in this class, I want to be showing you 3 AI tools that I use in my personal workflow when working on projects. I'll show you how to create stunning images in Midjourney and Adobe Firefly, and using ChatGPT for copywriting and crafting brand messaging. I'll be showing you how to use advanced prompts to craft specific images in the style that you want. I'll also be talking about how to use generative fill and how to craft cool 3D text that you can use on your designs. We'll also be exploring different ways on how to prompt ChatGPT to create email newsletters, copywriting, headlines for content, or even generate ideas when you're working on a brand project. I'll also be giving some tips and tricks, practical activities that you can take, and some extra resources that you can download to follow along with the class. This class is gonna be great for beginners or intermediate that want to learn how to get better at these AI tools and not just do the surface level stuff, but dive a bit deeper into advanced prompting and actually getting better results. So if you're a designer, a creative, a marketer, a person who creates content, then this class is going to be great for you. If this sounds fun, then enroll in the class today and start learning how you can leverage AI for your business.